Hey everyone, if your Windows has been feeling super slow lately, you're in the right place. In fact, in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple tricks to boost your speed instantly. So, stick around and let's get right into it. Alright, first things first, you need to make sure your Windows is fully updated. Honestly, a lot of people ignore this, but keeping your system updated actually has a massive impact on your overall PC speed. In fact, Microsoft constantly releases patches that fix background bugs and optimize system performance. So, let's check for updates right now. Next up, let's disable startup apps. To do this, just right-click your taskbar, open Task Manager, and head to the Startup tab. Basically, these are the apps that run automatically when your PC turns on. So, just disable the ones you don't need. Personally, I've disabled everything except Windows Security to keep my PC safe. Next, hit Start, search for %-temp-%, and open the folder. Now, just select everything and delete it. Basically, these are temporary junk files that clog your system. So, clear them out once a month to keep your PC running smooth. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts, and click on Sign In Options. Now, look for Automatically Save My Restartable Apps and make sure to turn it off. Basically, this feature forces Windows to reopen your past apps every time you log in, which slows down your system. So, disabling it gives you a fresh, fast start. Next, just click on Apps and go to Installed Apps. Now, scroll through this list and uninstall any useless Windows apps you never use. Personally, I've already cleaned mine up, but you should definitely remove them because they keep running background processes, wasting your storage and slowing you down. So, clear them out. Next, go back to System, click on Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. Basically, this is a built-in Windows feature that automatically cleans up your PC. Consequently, it deletes temporary files, empties your recycle bin, and manages your space without you lifting a finger. So, just switch it on and let Windows do the dirty work. Finally, open this PC, right-click anywhere, and go to Properties. Next, click on Advanced System Settings, and under the Advanced tab, click Settings inside the Performance box. Now, just select Adjust for Best Performance. Basically, this turns off all those useless Windows animations and visual effects. Consequently, your CPU and GPU don't waste energy on eye candy, making your entire system feel lightning fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.